to Pragyan Kids channel. It's me, Prana.
And it's me, Gyan. So what are we going to do today?
Do you remember the science kit we ordered, right?
Yes.
So today we're going to unbox it.
What? Really?
Yeah, so here's the kit, guys. This is the science kit that we're going to unbox. See, this is the kit. But before we unbox the kit, do you want to know what STEM means?
Yes.
Do you know what STEM means?
Yes.
Okay, so STEM means S for
Science.
T for
Technology.
E for
Engineering.
and M for
Math.
So this science kit works on the STEM concept. So let's open it. Yeah.
So this is the instruction book. They'll give the instruction what we have to do. And this is the bonus book. They'll give some extra instruction. We have the things we can do. These are molds. There are 2 pots. And these are cups. There are 5 cups. This is a spoon. This is the stirrer. What are these?
These are test tubes.
This is the baker.
That is a beaker, okay?
This is a big container and this is a small container. This is a shrink. You have to handle it like this.
So yeah, now I'm gonna show you the other stuff in the science kit. So this is a messy mat. You use it for you keep it and then you keep your stuff on top so that you don't mess up the place around you, and it's easy to clean also. And we have a few chemicals like citric acid, and we also have baking soda. We have something called sodium polyacrylate powder and something called butterfly pea powder. We also have a few liquids like this small perfume, smells good, liquid soap, and we have 3 colors, yellow, red, and blue. We also have this thing called glycerin flakes. I think it's used to make soaps.
And there are some extra things like sketch, Orbeez, some balloons, and a candle and some balloons.
We also have a few more items like these paper strips, this filter paper, and a small pack containing a few coins, beads, marbles. And we also have these clips, and we will get to know more about these clips when we do the experiments. Yes guys, I'm so excited for testing out this experiment.
I am waiting.
So if you guys want to see more videos related to science and experimenting, please subscribe to Pragyan Kids channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!